Section 26, MySQL type of join and examples. So in the last sections, we have learned the join clause with having clause, with where clause, and group by clause. So in this section, we will be learning other type of joins. So basically, we have three type of joins, basic joins: inner join, then left join, and right join. So inner join, we have up till now we have did only inner join. So what is inner join? Inner join is when we want to fetch only common records between the two tables, then we use inner joins. For example, table A is our employee details table, and table B is our employee salary table, and in those tables I want only those records which are present in the both the tables. So then I use inner join. So we already, although we already did in the uh, previous sections, uh, but let me repeat it again. So let's suppose I want to create report of employee who got promotion. Okay, so we have two tables here: employee detail table and employee promotion table, and in both the tables I want only those employee information who are present in both the tables. So my query will be like this: select ed first name, ep increment percentage which is found in the promotion table, ep branch also find in promotion table, from employee detail as ed, inner join employee promotion as ep, on ed.emp number is equal to ep.emp number. So here also the common column between employee and employee promotion table are employee number. Okay, so let's execute this query in the SQL workbench. Let's do it in the another query tab. Okay, this is my query. So first of all, let me show you the structure of the employee promotion table. Describe employee promotion. See, so this is the structure of employee promotion table, employee number, increment per branch. So this table contains records from all the branches of the employees of all the branches. But here in employee detail table, I am storing the employee details of one branch only, that is North. Okay, so let's check first both the tables: employee promotion, star from employee promotion, and see we it have all branch office records. Okay, south, north, east, west, but in employee detail table I stored only north branch records. Select star from employee details. Okay, so here let's execute this. So here the records which are present in the this table are belongs to a north branch. So here by this query I will find out those records from employee detail table who got promotion, right? So let's execute this query. As you can see in employee detail currently 12 rows, and I want to see those records which got promotion along with their increment percentage detail, right? So let's run this. See, only five employees got promotion. So this is the report of the employee, right? So as you can see, this time I am finding only the common records which are present in the both the table. Okay, so inner join is inner keyword is optional. If you omit this inner keyword, then also you will get same result. So join is similar, the join is equivalent to inner join. Okay, so here also I am getting the same result. Now let's come back to the sheet and do another join. Another type of join is left join. When we want to fetch common records from table 1 and table 2 and all the remaining records from the table 1, then we use left join. As you can see in this diagram, we will get common records between two tables, as well as we are finding that all the records on the left hand side table which are remaining one. Then we use left join. For example, we want to create reports of both type of employees who get promotion and who didn't get promotion from employee details, okay, along with their increment percentage. So my query will be like this time I will use left join keyword. Okay, so let's execute this query in the SQL workbench, right? So let's run this. So only difference between above command and this command is I have added the left keyword over here. Rest is same. See. So firstly it's showing the common records which are present in the both the tables. Okay, and other records it's showing as the null, right? If I give here instead of ed, if I give here ep, then sorry, I have, I thought it's employee number. If I give ed dot ep dot emp number, comma, so let's see what's the result. See, so it's showing employee number from the table. Okay, so but it's showing all the records from the left hand side table and it's not showing other records from the right hand side table. Now if I want reverse of it, like I want all the records from the right hand table and only common records from the left hand side table, then I use right join. So the syntax for this is this: select from, and instead of left keyword I will use right join. So let's execute the same query with right join and see what the output. Why it's giving error, semicolon. Yeah, see, so it's showing all the records from the right hand side table, and the those records whose information is not present in the employee detail table is showing as null. Similarly, in the above left join, also it's showing information as null, which is not present in the second table, employee promotion. So this is about right join. So this is the difference between these three type of join. You can write many more queries using this left and right join and inner join. So you practice this, and we will this with this join module 8 is completed, and we will start module 9 in the upcoming section. Thank you. Bye bye.